Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Test Tube Beauty. Oh, there we go. Test Tube Beauty. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen. Just real quick, I do have a giveaway going on. 8 winners, that is linked down below. Some Jeffree Star products, blah, 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 blah. There's other information down there if you want to take a gander. So let's get into Test Tube Beauty. It is a bi-monthly subscription. I have my ring light on, so I'm trying to keep my head at an angle so that doesn't bother you guys. It's way too dark. I shouldn't wear my glasses. Anyway, okay, so let's get into Test Tube Beauty. It is a bi-monthly, mostly skincare, full-size products. You do get, or it's at least mostly full-size products. So you do get a pamphlet. It does tell you the prices. So I open up the box, and this is what I see. And then the first thing I pull out is actually outside of the tube. And it looks like 2 face masks. So there's this one, and there is this one. Squeeze It. Didn't we just get, I think I just got some Squeeze It face masks in Ipsy. I think, I don't know. You guys know how my memory is. Let's take a peek. So this body retails for $9, and it is a brightening and rejuvenating 2 sheets, so maybe like half sheets. $9, wow. $9 is a little crazy. The Soon Skincare Face Mask Trio, is that upside down? Yep. Face Mask Trio retails between $18 and $22 for a face mask trio. That's a little crazy to me, but okay, moving on. So then we actually get into the test tube, which looks like this. And you open it up and it has all sorts of goodies inside. I always have a really hard time getting these lids off though. And there we go. So that's what it looks like inside. The first thing I am pulling out is Professional Extra Whitening System, 2 tubes. So, whitening toothpaste, maybe? Okay, so what is it? It is an on-the-go kit with Super Smile's most advanced whitening toothpaste. Okay, and I guess it just comes in like a pack like this, and $9 and $12. So I'm assuming maybe the toothbrush is another. Anyway, oh yeah, have you guys noticed my shirt? It is Grumpy Cat, and it says you won in Las Vegas, and then down here it says go to hell. The next thing oh, okay. So there's the toothbrush that actually goes with it. So I guess maybe this is 9 and then this is 12. That's interesting. That's weird. It's like, I don't want to open it, not yet, but it's plastic and see-through, so that's strange. Okay, let's see. The next thing I am pulling out is Beauty Has No Age, Naturally G for You. And so this is what it looks like, and it's an anti-aging serum, and it retails for $20. Yay. So the next thing I am pulling out is this Free Protect Me, and it is, what is it? A moisturizer meets sunscreen meets antioxidant. This lightweight cream defends against UV rays, free radical damage, and dryness. Okay. Ooh, and it retails for $50. Holy cow, did I even show you guys that? There we go. That's kind of small for $50, but okay. The next thing I am pulling out is also Free Chemistry, clean, but it's not, okay, so It's a fingernail polish, but it's not spelled the same, so that's spelled like that. And then for that, it's actually free, 10 free, so let's see. So this is fingernail polish, and it retails for $18. Okay, let's take a peek at the color. Okay, I may just pass that color along. It's not a color for me. I either like super pale, pretty, like pinks and lavenders, or I like bold, like black and bam, maroon and blue. You know what I mean? So that is cool. Let's see, the next thing I'm pulling out is, so it's a travel hairspray or a texture spray, and that retails for $10. And the last thing I am pulling out is this Pore White Cake Pack. And let's see, what is it? A radiance boosting facial in a jar that delivers deep hydration, purges pores, and exfoliates with the help of fruit enzymes and Amazonian clay. And so this retails for $37. How to use. Apply to area of the face that needs a little extra attention and leave on. Okay, so it's basically a mask. Does it say that anywhere? It doesn't actually say mask anywhere. It says cake pack. Anyway, so that was the last thing I pulled out of Test Tube Beauty. I do like this. It is heavier on the skincare, but it's specifically made that way. I always like getting this just because generally it's full size. I'm not sure if some of these things are full size, but anyway, I've been rambling too long. I need to go put in my contacts for my next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.